everybody, and welcome to Soul Wonderland. I am your host, Soul, and today we'll take a look inside of Maken Season 1, the Save Edition on Blu-ray and DVD. So, here's the cover, the spine, the back, then you open it up and you get that on the side. You get the Blu-ray disc 1, disc 2, DVD disc 1 with a pink. It looks kind of reddish on here, but it's pink. Disc 2 and disc 3. And then when you take this out, you get that. So this has been Maken Season 1, Save Edition on Blu-ray. Thank you and have a wonderful day.